Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get some of the best spicy apps to your Fire Stick, which you can use totally for free, and set them up in a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So we just go to the search bar on your Fire Stick, open the search, and in here you will have to start typing downloader. So let's do that together. Just start entering downloader, and as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Just click on it, and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because obviously you still have to set it up. So now in order to set up downloader, let's go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My FireTV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new FireTV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select FireTV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So you open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and here what you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to a list of apps on your device, let's open it, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're so fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Czech Republic right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on a screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and let's head to the downloader now, as we are ready to use it. So you open downloader, and here what you have to do is enter the codes in the search bar. And the first code will be 4, 3, 8, 7, 4387713. So once again, 438713. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually takes only a couple of seconds to download the app. Then you click install and just wait until the installation is fully finished. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you will be able to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Fire Stick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. And then let's go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it. And there at the bottom you'll find the first application, which we got for you today. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And just like that, we got the first amazing app for you, but it is not the last one today. So we head back to the downloader, erase that previous code, and now let's get some more applications. And just like that, the second code is going to be 127586. So 127586, that is the second code. Let's click on go, and now we'll be downloading the second application. So that's right, the download of the second app has also started successfully. And then, just like previously, make sure to install it to your device. After that, click done and get rid of the unnecessary application files. And then when you return back to a list of apps on Fire Stick, you'll open it, and here's the second app which we got. So today you learned how to get to those amazing apps on your Fire Stick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.